Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you aggregate functions of max and min, M-I-N. These are the both. These are the both are aggregate functions, and while writing the SQL query statements, these two methods and these two functions will help you more and more. If you want to get out of the group of the records and you are getting as a max value or min value or max rank or min rank, and the group of the students are having top out of the group of the subject, the person is having some education subjects like his school subject and courses, which course is having max marks and which course is having like a minimum marks. Likewise, you will get the information from the table by executing and running a simple. And similarly, we can get I have an orders with a group ID. One single order ID is having with the same ID is having multiple orders. And from that order, I would like to know what is the maximum price of the order ID, that order price, and what is the minimum price of the order from that group of the orders. How it can be possible? Yes, it's a very easy to applying this statement. Like you have seen our previous lecture, how to apply and write for some function of aggregate function using group by. This is the way you can write with the simply you can apply this max and min functions with a place of sum. That's it. All the things of the different, these are the things are very similar. Now let's see here. I would like to show you a simple example. Yeah, here I would like to show you the same table orders with the what is the maximum ID value of the order and minimum ID of the value like order. We'll see. Before going to this, see, the max aggregate function returns the highest value, the maximum value in a set of non-val like a not null or non-null. It's not empty. The values. Okay. And similarly, the min aggregate function returns the lowest value, that is the minimum value, is a set of non-null values. Okay. Expression based on a simple of the data population. The data and expression is population is nothing but how we are going to filtering and grouping based on the order ID, the based on selection of the our data boundaries. Based on the result set, it will be applied for this min and max functions. Okay. Now let's see here, like a select star from sales dot orders. Yep. Order underscore items. This is the statement I'm going to executing here. Let's see. This order ID is having 5 orders with the same ID and having different prices. List prices, different items prices are there. I hope it is by seeing this is the highest I'm understanding about it, like a 2,899.99 paisa. And whereas the lowest it is a minimum value is 599.99. Okay, let's see what it will gives you automatically. If it is the single order and having 4 or 5 items only, it can be possible. Like Flipkart and Amazon, how many lakhs of billions of orders are there? How can you assume and how can you know and by seeing all the understanding like this? That is the way we are going to preparing for SQL statements. The system will automatically analyze the data and it will be shows us for the impact of the orders and the information. Okay, let's see here, I'm applying here first the max, very simple. I'm changing sum to max. That's it, over. What I'm getting to changing the max from list price, it is, I'm giving you in a simple example for this explanation. Select order ID from the table and max list price. What is the max price out of this row? And as a total price I'm making, it's not total price means I want to change its max price. From the group of the orders, from this table, sales is in a schema name and order underscore items is in a table name. You can check here, this is. All right, this is what. And group by, making a group by based on the order ID. I'm making an orders. All the group one orders are making into the one group only, one category of the group. Okay. Now let's see here if I execute, and from that, out of the orders, I want to know a single record like what is the max price of the list of the orders. This is my requirement. Now go here and execute the statement. Now see, I have prepared a single line statement here. And what are the how many groups of the orders? All are like a 16, like a 1615, 1615 rows, and the many type of group of orders are available in this list of database. This table is replying here. Now let's see here. The group, the order ID is making one, and the max price you see here. We have also seen personally like an independent order. What is the type of the maximum price of for this order? We are able to getting the max price of each and independent every ID. Okay. Similarly, the group 2, only one group ID making on a group by order ID means we are making as a categorized that particular group ID, we are making into one single group. That is the max price from that group. In such way, we'll see like min. Just simply change the keyword of min and execute the statement. You will get the minimum price of the lowest price of that from that particular group. That's it. That is the simple way you can apply, and you will get what you are based on requirements of max of the price, like a max unit or max value information or minimum value information from the group of the orders or any of the group. So I'm showing you in a group of orders only. Wherever the group of the persons or group of the records are available, you'll use the group by statement, and you will get out of the group. It is like applying of aggregate functions min and max. So it can be very much pretty easy to get from the straight away. You will get the result set while writing the SQL query statement. This is what you have to strongly remember. I hope you are having a good understanding about this min and max aggregate functions. In our next lecture, we'll see what is group by and why we require to use group by in practical way, more descriptive way we'll see. And once it is completed, we'll go on a jump start to see the practical way, how we are going to apply in the different manner in group by. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.